Hi to everyone. Myself Dr.S.P.SARANYA, Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce with the Computer Application, working at Dr. SNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to see about the dynamic web page concept. So a dynamic web page is a changes based on the user. So we can change the page with our wish. So it responds to the user's needs and provides relevant information to meet them by accessing information in a concerned connected database. So this type of web page allows user to go beyond reading a text and looking at graphics. So static web page is a fixed one. We've seen that example for e-magazine and newspaper, but dynamic web page to allow for an interactive experience with the user being in control of the information he uses. So there are many types of dynamic web pages are available. The most popular dynamic web page is Google Earth, and for example Gmap. The most maps websites are dynamic. User inputs the address they are traveling to, and the page returns with directions and a map to the location. Place by place, it can be changed. So another example of dynamic web page is the search engine. So website searches where the user looking is for information on just one site. There are also a dynamic web page. So need and the magic of dynamic web page, that is CSS. That means a powerful mechanism for adding styles. Example font, colors, and spacing, and then graphics, images to the web documents. It enforces standards and uniformity throughout the website and provides numerous attributes to create dynamic effects. So the dynamic HTML combination of HTML, style sheet and scripts that allows documents to be animated. Then DHTML refers to a collection of technologies which makes HTML documents more dynamic and interactive. So then dynamic web page is a changeable one, and then active web page. So active web page, that means user can, including web pages that generate search engines visits, the web pages that contain a computer program. An active web page, the web page is a page that receives at least one SEO visit over given a period. So active web pages are more important to consider in user strategy because they earn visits from search engines and result pages. So web pages that contain a computer program. An active web page may also refer to a web page that contains a computer program that the browser runs locally. This program allows the page to interact with the user and change the display to continuously. And then active web pages were created to address issues with client-pull techniques for displaying animations and multimedia over the internet. So it's create a content with mind. They are designed to be constantly updated with new and existing content to help guide users through the user view. So active web document consists of a computer program that the server sends to the browser and that the browser must run locally. It is main thing of a active web page. So when it runs, the active document program can interact with the user and it can change the display continuously. So active web page contains of your home page and about the page, the contact page and the user services product page and a private policy. These are included in the active web page. So how many active web pages are actively uh, nowadays? That means out of the more than 2 billion websites on the internet, only 400 million are active, indicating that about 80% of these websites are deactivated. So as our infographic shows, there are 1.88 billion websites today and looking at internet live sites counter. So an active website is created with the content in mind. They are designed to be constantly updated with the new and existing content to help guide user through the purchasing journey, funneling them to the conversation. Thank you so much for watching this.